Hi everyone, my name is Alex Wen, and welcome to Embedded World, and let's go in to see how Asus has.
So right here at the entrance of the Embedded World North America, there's an Asus booth. So what do you want to show here at the booth?
Yeah, so first will be the Edge AI. We're using our Intel NUC system as a 3 different scenario from traffic, retail, and manufacturing. And you can see they can analyze the video and give you a summary of what exactly happening on the video. And on the right-hand side, there's a chatbot. You can actually search for red car, pedestrian. They'll actually show you exactly the time frame where the
What's the size of the model?
The model is pretty small, so it's actually you can run on the NUC system itself. Yeah.
So it's like 1 or 2 billion parameters, something like that?
Yeah, probably 1 billion.
1 billion. Yeah. Do you have some NUCs that can do a 7 billion parameter?
Yeah, that was a bigger one we call a NUC performance. Then that's definitely much more capable on that.
So let's walk around here. So Edge AI is an important topic, right?
Yes.
And you're showing some more demonstration about that?
Yeah, this is actually the Edge AI for the factory side. So in the manufacturing, there's a lot of model and moving parts, and we use our Asus sensor to actually collect all the data, vibrations, so that way when any vibration is different, actually use a chart to analyze it and to tell you, hey, maybe the model needs to be replaced or maybe the model needs to be regreased. So something like that to prevent anything catastrophic failure coming out from that.
And what's happened with this box here?
So this is our Edge gateway, which is collect all the small sensor to the gateway, so the gateway can do the Edge AI, then go back the data to the big server on itself, to the cloud.
Edge, okay, a gateway, and let's walk around.
Okay, cool.
What is accelerating AIoT transformation?
So acceleration, this is actually telling you all the AI model we have, all the different solutions from the healthcare, all the different verticals, then actually transfer to everything to the Edge AI instead of the cloud.
And then when I turn this one, you can win a sticker.
Yeah,
that's nice.
stickers. So
you have a whole bunch of
giveaway for
marketing here at the Embedded World North America. Let's walk around.
Okay. Yeah, this is also a different prevention maintenance, and which using our different Edge box.
This is also. Can you repeat that part? Yeah.
This is also the gateway for all the different AI have a small size and fairness. And this particular customer using our NUC system to build a vision visualization. So actually see the video that actually showing that the video actually seeing the machine is actually vibration or not. It can tell you what was the normal abnormal adjustment on this camera itself.
Is this a powerful one?
Yeah, this is actually more powerful than that one. Yeah, see that's how compact the size and what's the the system.
Can this do a 7 billion parameter?
Probably have to be this one. Yeah.
Like maybe this one?
Yeah, this one.
All right. And so it's Intel 14th generation.
Yeah, Ultra system. Yes.
And these solutions are long-term support?
Yes, long-term 7 to 5 years.
That's pretty long.
Yeah.
Right. And what do you show on this?
So this is all the building block for all the systems from the small 3.5 inch to the mini ATX and micro ATX, all the motherboard criteria for to power the box itself. Yeah.
All right.
And we also have some industrial network card, provide the rigidity and also hash remembrance. Also very long-term support from our design as well.
And some smaller ones here.
Yeah. So it's for the smaller embedded box uses.
All right. Yeah. And what about walking through?
Yeah, walking through here is the AI in surveillance. So pretty much you can see there's a camera actually showing the different category. We can segmentize the system. And the right hand side you can tell it's 2 different people in the camera scene. Use a different color scene to tell you where's the geometry on it. Yeah.
And it's also running on the NUC?
Yeah, running on the NUC system to do the inferencing and the edge inference. Yeah. So the dashboard and tracking.
Let's walk through there.
Okay. Cool.
So what do we see here?
So this is one of our customer from Michigan. Is actually the AI checkout system you should see on a lot of airport, everything. So pretty much you can just pick anything and try to scan it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It will tell exactly what was the bet and the money, so you can actually check out by yourself.
Nice.
Also using the Asus AIoT system.
It doesn't matter how you put it.
Yeah.
You just put it anywhere you want.
Anywhere you want.
And it's smart enough.
Yeah.
You don't have to show the
barcode. Yeah.
This barcode.
Yeah.
Cool. That's the future of supermarkets.
Yeah.
Is it already deployed or
yeah,
it's just
already
a test?
deployed. Yeah, actually, you
Which
can
country?
see here you can see on the LAX or JFK, all the airport actually has
Oh,
already.
it's like a real airport shop.
Yeah.
Nice. I'm going there. All right,
Yeah,
5 minutes.
cool.
I'm joking.
All right.
Okay, what do we see
This
here?
is actually the edge server. So we just showing what kind of server we provide. This is on the medical side, and this is our 1U short depth server for AI powering. So pretty much you can add an AI model on it and can run graphic card as well.
And for this one?
Yeah, this is our medical device. So pretty much on the edge AI on the medical side, you can plug in also acceleration card to actually do a lot of AI inferencing on the medical image.
And it says security with face recognition, object
That's
recognition.
just the box we have used here to demonstrate the video. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So here's our smart factory, which is all our panel PC HMI. So it's a human machine interface for ruggedized usage and long-term support as well. Yeah. So it's showing you somehow the SCADA software that can use that to control the valve on different scenes. So we can control individual software and we can move around the pump and see the flow is.
So it has to be reliable, great touch.
Yeah.
It has to be more sturdy than just consumer electronics, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Also with the long-term support?
Yeah, there's long-term support, yes. Now here's some of the vision AI we're demonstrating. So we're using our ROC 1000 system to actually demonstrate the machine, inspection on the material. So any of the defective will actually be marking out right away. So it's a real-time process on it.
All right. With AI vision.
Yeah. And so utilize the Intel open window system. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. This is our partner site from Deep Health. And we actually utilize our system to do the modality analysis. So pretty much you can see all the medical image. It's actually real time to actually go back to the hospital itself, so they can tell the technician maybe that image need to be retake, or maybe there's any help they need to, so the doctor can actually diagnose at the same time.
It's all running on this box?
Yeah, all running in this box, yes.
With the Intel?
Yeah, it's an Intel processor inside, also capture card.
All right. Cool. So you're demonstrating that Edge AI is really happening?
Yes, it's happening right now, and it's actually in our life and in the future as well.
And this box there?
This box is also the M700, but it's actually demonstrate on the future healthcare in the hospital. If a patient actually want to get out of bed, and they will notify the nurse, like, hey, you need to take care of it. So actually give you any scenario like when there's some people try to get out of bed, and nurse will actually come in to help you to do that to prevent the patient falling and anything happen to that in the hospital.
And is this where people come to get a coffee?
Yes, our coffee machine, and also was some of the smart retail AI system.
What's happening here?
Yeah, this is actually our biggest AI system. Was the Intel Arc 4 B600 GPU. So they can actually running a lot of Edge AI. Was interaction bot to respond, talk, and chat on the edge side. Yeah.
All right. So, is there anybody else going to LAX?
Not yet.
I need to activate it.
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry.
Cool.
Okay.
So please maybe show something cool if you want.
Yeah.
So I can talk with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's the best tennis player right now in the world?
Oh, that's a tough question, right?
Tough is thinking. Of course, it's Alexander Bublik, but it's not there. Okay, that's fine. Okay, cool. All right, that's great. So thanks a lot for the tour here at the Asus booth here at the Embedded World North America.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
HDMI technology powers the global ecosystem of connected devices, enabling advanced displays that deliver immersive visuals and sound across entertainment, professional, and everyday applications.
As the preferred technology for digital AV connectivity, HDMI technology and the features and benefits it enables
Links billions of products worldwide, from HD TVs, set-top boxes, and laptops to gaming consoles, projectors, and audio-video receivers. It provides the reliable, high-bandwidth connectivity needed for today's ultra-high-definition video, lifelike color accuracy, and immersive sound formats.
HDMI technology drives innovation across industries,
including digital signage, medical imaging, education, and esports. With unmatched performance, interoperability, and scalability, HDMI technology continues to define how content is created, shared, and enjoyed around the world.